अथ सृष्टि उत्पत्ति स्थिति प्रलय विषयान् व्याख्यास्यामः. In this chapter we shall deal with the creation, sustenance and dissolution of the universe. Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati says, first mantra, iyam visrishtir yata abhabuva. Bolo. Iyam visrishtir yata abhabuva. Yata abhabuva. Yadiva dade. यदिवा न यो अस्य अध्यक्षः परमे व्योमन् सो अंगवेद यदिवा न वेद यदिवा न वेद who men the supreme being is he by whom this whole universe has been brought to light, who sustains and dissolves it, who is the Lord of all this world, and in whom the all-pervading one, this whole universe finds the principle of origin, sustenance and end. So inside the Paramatma the universe gets created, inside the Paramatma the universe gets maintained, inside the Paramatma the universe gets destroyed. Means Paramatma envelops everything. Just like Mata ke garbh mein Mata has there, inside the Mata garbh the child grows. Child is inside the mother's womb. Similar to that, inside the mother's womb, the entire universe is sustained inside Paramatma, and Paramatma also is inside the universe. Just like Paramatma is, everything is inside Paramatma and Paramatma is inside everything. So you must know and acknowledge no other being as the author of this creation. And यदिवा ददे यदिवा न, अगर परमात्मा इस सृष्टि को धारण करे, it's his wish. If he wants to create, he creates it. Means what? Paramatma is the Adhyaksh. He decides when to create, he decides when to destroy. But everything happens based on a proper niyama, proper principles, proper rules. Everything happens as a proper rule. So, but when Paramatma decides, means Paramatma के अंदर इक्शन पैदा, इक्शन means let's say a kind of इच्छा कि मैं संसार को रचूं, ऐसा परमात्मा के अंदर भावना उत्पन्न होता है. Why this bhavana happens? Because if the world does not exist, there is no justice. I made a video yesterday. If you have to see that video, I've explained in detail on that. Okay, I don't want to touch upon that one again. You have to see that video. So iyam visrishti, this srishti is iyam visrishti. This srishti is एकदम विसृष्टि मतलब बहुत विस्तार है और अलग अलग प्रकार से ये सृष्टि चमकता है. different you see different kind of metals, different kind of stones, different kind of animals, different colors, different designs, different entities, different particles, different movement. You know, there are planets which rotate like this, there are planets which rotate like this, there are planet which rotates like this, which rotates like this. different kind of motions. So ये सृष्टि को बनाने वाला, पालन करने वाला और संहार करने वाला सिर्फ केवल एक ही परमात्मा है, जिसको you must worship and you must acknowledge that Paramatma as our creator. And when you sit for meditation every day, acknowledge the Paramatma. And Paramatma से जैसे मैं तेरे से अभी बात कर रहा हूँ, like you speak to your friends, like you speak to somebody else, you also speak to Paramatma. Unless and otherwise you speak to Paramatma, you can never get involvement with Paramatma. You will never have a friend whom you do not speak. Why your friend, you speak to your friend every day? Why she is your friend and why you are her friend? Because you speak to her every day or whenever possible, right? You find opportunity to speak to somebody else, to build the relationship, to keep the closeness together. Similarly, Paramatma knows who you are, but you do not know who Paramatma is. So you must establish contact with Paramatma by speaking your bhavana. Hey Paramatma, हम ऐसे तू ऐसा, मैं मूर्ख हूँ तू सियाना हो. I am unintellectual, I am foolish, मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ तुम्हारे सामने, आप महान हो, सचमुच में महान हो. इयं विसृष्टिर्यथा बभूव. परमात्मा has created this entire universe, right? So ऐसा परमात्मा आपने कैसा बना दिया? For us to create something, you need so much of knowledge, so much of planning, so much of collection of raw material. You must establish a process. You must establish, okay, first this one, next this one, next this one, last this one, then packing, then dispatch. You plan so many things. For making a celebration of birthday also you plan so many things. But for creating the universe, see the planning what Paramatma has done. Hey Paramatma, आप महान हो, ऐसा अगर when you say, you are not saying that for joke. It is a serious acknowledgement. You must acknowledge. So ऐसा परमात्मा को जानना चाहिए, बात करना चाहिए. Then only you will be able to progress spiritually. If you do not talk to Paramatma, if you do not do stuti of Paramatma, you will never progress spiritually. 20 years you will do name jap. Until death you will do name jap, but your spiritual progress will be zero or negative. Why negative? Because every day you are doing so many sins. Every day you are having deviations. Every day our chitta vritti is flowing somewhere. Every day we are losing our age. Every day we are getting different bahya experience. So spiritually we will become negative every day. From zero we will go down every day. And this zero can be increased up to infinite level by talking to Paramatma without fail. That is the reason of Vedas. That is the purpose of Vedas. That is the reason Rishi Munis have written such books. So creation of the universe is very, very important thing for all of us to understand. Thereby we can establish a firm relation with Paramatma. I always tell you, right? Every day you establish a relation with Paramatma. Without establishing a relationship with Paramatma, if you sit for meditation, your meditation will not be successful. Can you name any day where your meditation was successful? On that day you would have established a relation. Hey Pita, Hey Mata, Hey Malik, Hey Mitra, Hey Varuna. Something, first is you must first thing is संबोधन करना है, पुकारना है. You are calling your friend as a friend. You are saying, you are my sister. I was listening to your talk that day. You are telling to your friend, you are like my sister. You told, na? You told, right? Told, yes or no? Yes, right? You are my sister. You are my brother. You are my everything. You say this kind of words, right? So why? Because first संबोधन करना है. परमात्मा को संबोधित करो. हे परमात्मा, आप मेरे पिता हैं, आप मेरे माता हैं, आप मेरे सब कुछ हैं, आप मेरे आचार्य हैं, आप मेरे गुरु हैं, आप मेरे मालिक हैं. ऐसा संबोधन करो पहले, फिर उसके बाद समर्पण करो. पहला पुकारना है, उसके बाद समर्पण करो. समर्पण करो मतलब क्या है? हे परमात्मा, अगले 20 मिनट, next 20 minutes to 30 minutes, world does not exist for me. This is a statement you should say. Next 20 minutes to 30 minutes, this world does not exist for me. The entire world is you. इयं विसृष्टिर यथा बभूव यदिवा ददे यदिवा न. हम सब परमात्मा के अंदर है ना, तो परमात्मा को बोलो, हम सब आपके अंदर हैं. तो for the next 20 to 30 minutes where I am going to meditate your name, this world cannot exist and does not exist for me. I exist inside you, you exist inside me. ऐसा समर्पण करना है. और तीसरा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रणिधान, समर्पण और प्रणिधान भी. प्रणिधान मतलब आप हैं इधर. जस्ट मेयर बात करने से फायदा नहीं. एंड यू मस्ट एक्नॉलेज दैट यस यू आर प्रेजेंट हियर. And it's not a jhoot, it's a fact, because Veda says I am present Ishavasyam idam sarvam. I am present every time, everywhere and all the time. He is present all the time. So प्रणिधान भी करना है, समर्पण भी करना है, पुकारना भी है. फिर उसके बाद you start your meditation, and on that day when you do that kind of meditation, you will find a happiness within you. You will find that after finishing the meditation, you will find a pleasant feeling within you. And the next day again, we must capitalize on the same pleasant feeling. Next day again, when you sit for meditation, you must first of all decide, I must get the same pleasant feeling, Hey Paramatma. Because the pleasant feeling was given to me by you only, Paramatma. You are the giver of happiness to me. ऐसा करते 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 one day will come where you will never miss a day for meditation. Of course, you are not missing even today, but you are doing for a, okay, because my Acharya has told I should sit for meditation, I am sitting. But why the progress is not happening? Because we are lacking these basics. And that is why we must do Swadhyaya for improving our basics. Hiranyagarbha samavartatagre bhutasya jatah. You tell everything, right? Every day you are telling this mantra, right? And इसमें भी please understand पतिरेक आसित. एक ही पति है. एक पति था, एक पति है, एक पति रहेगा. कोई और पति नहीं है, कोई और मालिक नहीं है. Paramatma must become your topmost priority, not only during meditation but also throughout your life. If Paramatma becomes your topmost priority, answer to my question. Can any vastu in this world can give you 100% sukh to you? Cannot. It can give you sukh for sure. Any vastu can, like you buy a new mobile phone, you buy an iPad, iPhone, it will give you sukh. I am not denying it. But 100% sukh, जिस दिन you got an iPhone, the same sukh are you getting from that iPhone today? It has reduced a lot. कोई भी वस्तु में सुख घटते जाएगा. कोई भी जड़ वस्तु या चेतन वस्तु, every day the percentage of sukh that the vastu is giving to you will reduce, and percentage of dukh of that vastu will increase, including our own body. Our own body, slowly, by the time you reach to the age of 80 years, your body will give you more dukh than sukh. Right? So, जड़ वस्तु या चेतन वस्तु 100% सुख नहीं दे सकता है. दुख ज़्यादा देगा, सुख 100% नहीं दे सकता है. पर 100% सुख परमात्मा देगा. क्योंकि परमात्मा ऐसी वस्तु है जिनके पास सुख के अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं है. परमात्मा आनंद का भंडार है. दिस इज द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ ऑल द योगीज. दिस इज द मैसेज ऑफ 4 वेदास. परमात्मा इज भंडार ऑफ आनंद. आनंद का भंडार है परमात्मा. सो इफ यू वांट टू अटेन ब्लिस इन योर लाइफ, not only you, for me also, for everybody, suppose I post in this video to YouTube, for every one of us, Paramatma sukhon ka bhandar hai. And Paramatma is the one who can give us 100% sukh, 0% dukh. Everything else will give us some sukh and more dukh, some dukh and some sukh. It will keep on changing, and sometimes some vastu will give you 100% dukh, 0% sukh. Even with that also you have to live that with that object because of some compulsion, something you have to live with that. Like some pain is there, some disease is there, 100% दुख देगा, फिर भी जीना पड़ेगा. तो ये सब छोड़ने के लिए we must do everyday स्वाध्याय without fail. and परमात्मा से संकल्प लेना है. परमात्मा, I will do meditation by giving my life. इवन मेरा लाइफ जान प्राण चले जाए, मैं आपके मेडिटेशन उपासना नहीं छोड़ूंगी. ऐसा संकल्प करके यू मस्ट स्टार्ट योर मेडिटेशन. दिस इज ओनली वन मंत्र. सी द क्रिएशन मंत्र, one mantra. He has written so many other mantras. Hiranyagarbha, Tamasa, tama asit tamasam. This we will revise tomorrow. So we must understand what is the final message of this today's Swadhyaya is Paramatma sabse highest. That must be our aim. The highest thing, highest priority in my life is Paramatma. Every day you must revise this. And one day it will surely happen. And when Paramatma becomes your highest priority, Paramatma will handhold you like a mother is carrying the child in her womb. Paramatma will start carrying you really. Today he is not carrying us really, in the sense he is not taking away our dukkha. Why? Because we have not yet surrendered. So ऐसा surrenderance करना चाहिए. So that's all for today's Swadhyaya.